everybody, welcome to Ms. Hoffman's group. We're going to do our auditory drill where we are going to hear a sound and then write the sound in the sand. Now, if you don't have sand and you're at home, ask Mom if you can borrow her salt and put it in a cookie tray or a Rubbermaid container, and then you can make it in salt instead of sand. Also, you can use your whiteboards or you can use your handwriting paper, whatever you want to do it on, but I'm going to model it using sand today. All right, are we ready? Here we go. Bowl. The letters are B, L, bull. Ready? Scra. What letters say scra? S, C, R, scra. Shake, shake, shake. Ready? Kst. What letters say kst? X, T, kst. Shake, shake, shake. Bowl. Let's think about that one. Bowl. Say the letters as you write them for bowl. B, L, E, bull. This is one of our new sounds we've been practicing with that consonant L-E. Bull. Shake, shake, shake. Let's do inch. N, C, H. Let me hear you say the letters while you trace them. Here we go. Inch. N, C, H. Inch. Shake, shake, shake. A. Now let's think about this one because now we know 3 ways to make that A sound. What's the first way we know? Letter A says A. What's another way we know? We know that if we add a magic E to hop over the consonant, this A, magic E, says A. Letter A with a magic E says A. Shake, shake, shake. Ready? The last way to make the long A sound, we just learned it. Who remembers long A in the middle of the word? A as in brain. A-I says A as in brain. Shake, shake, shake. How about another middle of the word? Do you remember long O in the middle of a word? Letter O, letter A. These letters together say O, and I usually see it in the middle of a word. Shake, shake, shake. What's another way to spell long O? There's O, magic E. And the last way to spell long O that we know is letter O says O. Shake, shake, shake. How about I? We know I by itself, letter I by itself says I. And we also know that magic E, letter I, says I. Shake, shake, shake. What's another way that we can spell long I? Do y'all remember? The letter Y at the end of a one-syllable word says I as in fly. Shake, shake, shake. T-H says T. What's the other sound that the letters TH can say? The. It has 2 sounds, th and the. Shake, shake, shake. Wah. W-H says wah, like the puff of air. Shake, shake, shake. What letter says wah? Put your hand on your throat, say wah. Letter W by itself says wah. Shake, shake, shake. Pull. Letter P letter L, and letter E make pull. That consonant L-E syllable, pull. Here we go. Shake, shake, shake. How about tull? What letters say tull? Letter T, letter L, letter E. T, L, E. Say tull. Shake, shake, shake. Zul. Z, L, E, zul. Hey, if you're wondering why my finger makes the line every time, it's because when I make the sound or blend the sound, I'm running my finger underneath it like when I read a word on the page. So this says zul. All right, shake, shake, shake. Let's think about this one. Cool. There's two ways to spell cool. What's the first way to spell cool? C-L-E, cool. Now, what's another way to spell the sound cool? K-L-E says cool. Shake, shake, shake. What about K? There's three ways I can spell K. What's the first way? C, as in sea cat. When I have a K in front of the letters A, O, or U, I spell it with the letter C. C says K. Another way that I can spell it is going to be the letter K. The lowercase k, remember, is the same size as the C, or the cross lines are the same size as the C. And it says K, as in K, kite. The K sound is spelled with a K when the letters that come after it are an I, an E, or a Y. K. Shake, shake, shake. There's one more way to spell K. How do I spell K after a short vowel sound? C, K always come after the short vowel sounds a, I, a. This is C, K says K. Thanks for joining me, guys. I will see you back here soon.